Hey y'all, today we have this little Scout boat. It's a 2004 center console Scout. Look how bad it is. It's eat up with mold on the inside. We're doing a full inside gel coat restoration, a whole outside gel coat restoration, and I believe we are removing this decal. Not sure on this one yet. I'm waiting to hear back from the customer. So just look how moldy everything is. So of course, first we're going to do a deep wash on the whole outside and inside. Just look how bad it is. And this is a smooth top. This is not non-skid right here. So this is gonna look so good after we wet sand it and compound it and follow up with our steps. All right, y'all, I got the camera in a spot where hopefully no water will go onto my camera and ruin it. If it does, I'm going to be SOL. The water's not on. Ooh, so nice. All right, y'all, look how bad it is in here. And I just got my diluted bleach and I'm spraying it everywhere. And good thing the sun's out because it just speeds up the process even more. Look how white it is over there. Yeah, you got that good. Yeah, that looks really good. Oh, and the floor. And sometimes if it's not just mold in the floor, like if it's spider poop or blood stains or anything from fish, I use Stark's Venom and scrub it and let it sit. You don't really even have to scrub it if you don't want to, but to speed up the process, you can scrub it. And two, it just depends on the severity. So I like to use that on non-skid when just regular bleach won't get it. Which bleach is only getting mold. It's not getting anything else. It's not going to. All right. Oh, I love strong smells. It makes my head feel amazing. That is so satisfying. What was that? That was like weird. Some kind of creature. Oh yeah, look at that. I know I'm gonna have to open up that compartment and get in the crack because there's stuff all in the crack. Here. The whole thing's eat up with mold. Definitely gonna have to spray that. See, it's all not wanting to come up. Ooh, I think the drain is stuffed up. So let's fix that and let's finish up in here and I will be back. All right, y'all, look. We got it all cleaned up in here. There's no more mold. Everything is spotless. No mold anywhere. It's crazy. Now that back corner we'll have to get last once we do the inside because it wouldn't drain. But no problem. So let's go ahead and take this decal off right here. A card works better. You got some kind of card?
Somewhere with a shop on it does, but like,
Yeah. Like your own shop. Don't rent from other people. No. Because then you're making no money. All the money you would spend giving to somebody, you have your own. You know what you do? You move somewhere, have just enough land to have a building, and do it that way. Oh yeah, that's my shop. All right, the funnest part now are these little tiny pinstripes on the bottom. Let's hope that they come off with the heat gun so we don't have to use the eraser wheel. The eraser wheel is like the worst thing you could ever do. Why? Just because it hurts your arm, like bad. Like if I was to keep heating this one part up, it's just gonna keep melting and breaking off. So this is exactly what I want right here. Try to keep pulling and keep it from breaking so you don't have to keep stopping to peel it back up. Oh wow, so satisfying, isn't it? Oh. You reckon we can reuse this? I'm just kidding. Reckon. Okay. See, because then when I have to find a new starting point, I have to get my edge pulled back up. And when there's little gashes and like little nicks and stuff in it, I have to, it keeps breaking off. That's what takes the longest, really. I got most of it off. I'm just working on these little squares down here. They're always the funnest. And there's little separate pieces of decal everywhere. But if you look down the whole strip of the boat, most of it's off. Just a few little things down there. Gotta get the registration numbers off too. Finally warmed up out here. It's not freezing anymore. At the end of April or mid-April. I'm about to go in behind him and do some little areas of hand sanding, like on the top. But I mean, a machine like that, it's not gonna, there's no way it's like getting in here on the curves and everything. You gotta hand sand it. I'm gonna take off what I can, like this right here, and that right here. I'm pretty sure that's like a hook for a bimini top. I'm not dumb, I promise. I think eating so much Skittles is hurting my jaw from chewing it so much.
I'll probably do it again hot.
Wet. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what I do. We got around like this little circle and everything.
Right.
Yeah, I'll go ahead. You got this. That's fine. We'll just spur. Spur?
Fine, a bucket.
Oh, I can't start when there ain't no power. Well, you got a generator?
Yeah, it's just right here anyway. Run over this again. I mean, he said he could smack it, so.
It'll be fine. All right, y'all, so now I'm going to start the compound process. All the sanding is done on the side. As you could imagine, it didn't take us near as long as it does like the bigger boats and boat riders and everything, because it's a small. I mean, technically we have been working on this all day, remember?
Yeah.
Because, yeah, the wash like took an hour. It was that bad. This tip must have been left open. y'all, it's day 2 and look at how much we already got done. Check out this top. I'm actually about to go ahead and do the rotary polish on the top. I got everything taped off, the hinges. This thing, I guess that's a fishing rod holder. I honestly don't know. But look how nice and glossy it looks. Just from wet sanding and compounding. It's really about to pop though. So he's doing the finishing polish on the bottom over here. And I'm going to go ahead and do the rotary polish on top. But this thing has come a long way already. I think we can all agree on that. All right, check this out. The whole entire black part that went on the back of this where I hold it came off, and so when I use this too long, now this metal gets really hot and I have to stop using it and let it cool down. I'll spur it again. All right, now I'm going to take my mini roots and already got my elevate laid out just because it's not hot today. Feels pretty good. This bad boy's hot. It's like I can smell the heat coming off of it. Oh man, I can't wait to wipe it off. It's gonna look so good. This pad's done. Should have known it's Harbor Freight. Yeah, it's already done.
Wow, that's bullshit.
Yeah, well, it's fucking Harbor Freight.
Yeah, it's like this is like
Look at that.
yeah.
Only from there to there?
Crazy.
That's crazy as hell. Don't buy your mini pads from Harbor Freight. I'll take that back. I don't have to in my video now. Well, it's not my lake country pad. This tool right here is perfect for getting in there. All right, now let's wipe it off. This is the Lake Country pad, the same pad that we use on the regular size. All right, looky there. And I didn't even alcohol wipe it yet, but I will do that here in just a moment. I like to get most of the residue off first and then do an alcohol wipe now. Y'all, that thing is sleek, ain't it? Looks good. It's crazy how chalked it was, remember that?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow, it is.
Yeah, dang, glossy. Bet you I didn't know it's gonna come this good. Nobody does. God, I think, whew, slick. All right, let's get that alcohol. All right, y'all, so this side is mostly done. Sorry, just pollen, oh my gosh. This side is basically done. This is already sealed. I just have to take the tape off and wipe up some stuff on the rub rail. Washing right now, yeah, see there's still some residue on there from the polish, so just gotta do that. It looks amazing. He's in here already sanding the inside. Look how good that top looks, y'all. That looks amazing. It's just crazy to think how bad it was. So now I'm going to go ahead and start on this side and get these decals off. Remember how bad it was over here? It was really bad. This back part, that looks really good back here. I safely got around that depth finder. Pretty sure that's what it is, I guess, with the mini around that so that we would not harm it. But hey, it looks really good. It looks really amazing, y'all. y'all, so I'm going ahead and doing the final steps of sanding. So we already went in here, buried it earlier with the DA and sanded all the big areas. Now I'm just going and getting where the sander couldn't get, like right here in this corner, and hand sanding that. And I already got this whole entire centerpiece. If you look over here, it's all done, it's all sanded. So I just need to get like a few corners back here, and then we'll start compounding. Why don't you do it the way I do? It takes me 60 steps to get it to perfection. I've been doing it for 30 years since I was 5 years old with my daddy in the hot scorching sun. I know what I'm doing. 40 melanomas later. Why didn't you just make the decals yourself with pre-cut? Why did you even sand the boat when you can just buff quicksand into it? Why didn't you just use a decal off product to take the decals off? That's not the same boat, that's an AI picture. How come you didn't just set the damn boat on fire and buy the customer a new one instead of restoring it? That would make more sense. Why didn't you just use Diddy's baby oil to make the boat shiny? Why did you do all that work for it to float in the nasty water? Why are you even charging the customer to restore their boat? It should be a charity service. Why? Yeah, we're fishing up. We got everything, most of the compounding in here. This part right here to do. So he's wrapping up the compound. I'm gonna go ahead and do the alcohol wipe and do a polish and seal up in here. But look how good everything looks. Look at them shiny walls. It looks so good. And of course it has to be so hot today. But yeah, just after this, we'll be all done. So stick around and see the final result. All done with this 2004 Scout, and check it out. Look at the top up here where we got around the hinges real good. It was all chalked around here. Check out the inside walls. They were gone, but we brought it back to life. We got the back real good. And no, we did not do that. We taped off the bottom paint. So that was from another detailer before in the past. And just take a good look at this with the sun on it. Polished to perfection. You can follow the ball of sun right in it. And look on top of this. Remember how bad this was? Well, we brought it back. Got all the way under here. That looks amazing. And this customer is going to re-bottom paint it from what I understand. And look at that center console piece. Look how nice and shiny it is. I'll check out the other side. I'll remember how bad this side was. It's brought back to life too. Up here, I wish y'all could just come through the camera and touch it because it is so smooth. It is so amazing. Even with just that sealant really popped this thing off. Remember how bad it was on this side? This side was the worst. It was like covered in mold. Look on top where this gas cap was. Everything was covered in mold right here. It was so dry, it was so dead. But it's not dead anymore, y'all. This boat resurrected and is about to do some fishing now. This thing looks amazing. Check out the inside from here. It looks so good. So let us know what y'all think about this little Scout. I think it turned out pretty good. Let us know what you think. Hey y'all, today we have this it's a what? 6? 97. Okay. Hey y'all, today we have this 1997 Sea Ray Sun Deck, and check it out. The